Namaskar Mitrano. Today we are going to learn source transformation. Now what is mean by source transformation? Whenever we are converting voltage source into current source or current source into voltage source, this technique is called as a source transformation. So first of all we will see voltage to current transformation. Whenever any voltage source is available with any resistance in series with two terminals, then this voltage source can be converted into current source such that direction of the current source will be towards positive plate of the voltage source. Direction of current source is towards positive plate of the voltage source, and the resistance which was present in series with the voltage source is connected in parallel with the current source. The resistance which was in series with the voltage source is connected with the parallel with current source. Now how to find the value of this current? This current I is given by V upon R. V upon R. The value of this current is nothing but value of the voltage source divided by the series resistance. So V by R. This current we are placing in parallel with the resistance between these same terminals A and B. Now second transformation is current to voltage source. If any current source is there in parallel with any resistance between any two terminals, if current source is available in parallel with resistance between two terminals, this can be replaced by voltage source V in series with the same resistance R. This voltage source with series with the same resistance R within that two terminals A and B. Now how to find this value of V? V is given by I into R. V is given by I into R. Okay. So whenever current source present with parallel resistance, we can convert that current source into voltage with series resistance such that the value of voltage is given by V is equal to IR. Now using source transformation we will solve one numerical here. Given circuit is there and the question is find current in 4 ohm using source transformation. So our 4 ohm is present over here. So we will mark it as a RL. We will not disturb this resistance while solving the numerical. Okay. So from this side, if you see 5 ampere current is in parallel with the 2 ohm resistor. So our first step is to convert this 5 ampere current source into voltage source. So step 1, current source into voltage source. As discussed earlier, how to convert this? We are having 5 ampere and 2 ohm. So we will get the voltage of 5 into 2. That is 5 into 2 volt. It will give you 10 volt. So the source will be of 10 volt. So in the new diagram we will show that 10 volt in series with the same resistor 2 ohm. 2 ohm. Further we have solved for this problem. So A and B terminal. So here we will show that A and B terminal. Okay. Remaining part to the right of this A and B will remain as it is. So 6 volt will remain as it is. This 2 ampere current source will remain as it is, and this 4 ohm will remain as it is. Okay, so 4 ohm, 2 ampere, 6 volt, and this is the transferred source. Now if you observe here, if you trace like this, 10 volt and 6 volt, they are coming in series. So we can add or subtract it according to their positive and negative plate. So see here, if we are moving from 10 volt, we are getting 10 volt as a positive, and then if you move here, we are moving from positive to negative side. So 6 volt will be negative. So total voltage will be 4 volt. So we will get further new diagram as a 4 volt is with 2 ohm. 2 ohm and 4 volt. Okay, this 2 ampere as it is, and further this 4 ohm, that is our RL, will remain as it is. Okay, now again we will convert this 4 volt and 2 ohm into current source. This 4 volt and 2 ohm will be converted into current source. So step 2, 4 volt is, so what is the value of current source? 4 divided by 2 will give me 2 ampere current source. That I will be 4 by 2 is equal to 2 ampere. So if I draw the new figure, I will get one current source in parallel with one resistor. This 4 volt by 2 volt will give me 2 ampere in parallel with 2 ohm. So this 2 ohm remain as it is. Further we will be having 2 ampere and this 4 ohm as it is. Okay. Now if you see 2 ampere and 2 ampere, they are coming in parallel. So we can add these two current sources together, or we can merge them. So 2 ampere and 2 ampere give me 4 ampere. This is my 4 ampere. This resistance will remain as it is 2, and this 4 ohm will remain as it is. Okay, so now we can use here current division rule. We can use here current division rule to find the current in 4 ohm. So if you want to find this IL will be equal to total current 4 into opposite branch resistance 2 divided by total resistance 2 plus 4. Okay. So answer is 1.33 ampere. Thank you.